Mr. Bogues for the second petitioner. I believe he had logged in.
I have that. Any other impact online or activate your practice? Respondents were supposed to file their responses within 14 days. Has that been applied?
Your Honor,
Your Honor, on the part of IPOA, we are yet to comply. We were following up on some issues of following up on Mrs. Swanky. Correction, not yet. You say not yet? Yep. Yes, we have not yet complied. We were following up on some issues with regard to this complaint allegedly filed as now filed by the petitioners. We wish to seek for 7 days to comply with the same as we follow up on a few issues in-house so that we can put in a proper response. The Achochi,
Yes, Your Honor, on our part, we have complied. We filed our response in the form of grounds of opposition dated 28th of November 2023, and we have served all parties save the 8th, 9th, and the 10th respondents for reasons that service on the reading. We request if they can surplus so that we can be able to serve.
Mr. Miu,
yes, Your Honor, we received affidavit of response from the 10th respondent. We have also received the grounds of opposition from the 5th respondent. But Your Honor, we are raising an issue that all the parties, that is the respondents, are guilty of non-compliance with the court's directive of filing documents within a certain time. In such given time, Your Honor, we are going to raise issues with the judge that unless they comply with the court orders, those documents they are filing should be rejected by the court, and we do proceed, Your Honor, as the petition being unopposed.
it's okay. That's what you raised before the judge. I just wanted to know whether you have the documents.
The others have not served with us any documents other than the two. We are not opposed to them having time, Your Honor, to file the documents and serve on us. However, given the nature of the case, Your Honor, and how emotive it is, we would request, Your Honor, that you give us the most nearest date possible before the Honorable Judge. The nearest date possible.
We have received the rest of the detailed response. We have not received the same response by ODPP, the detailed response. We seek that we be served. I also echo the sentiments of Mr. Bill that which requires some sense of urgency. And therefore we should be given the earliest date.
We are most obliged, Your Honor.
Your Honor, you have indicated 21st of May.
21st day of May
What's the
next
plan?
year.
What's the plan, Your Honor?
We start guided you already.
Possible to have the 22nd.
Petition number 439 of 2023.
Kenyan, whether they have filed documents.
I'll let you do that. I don't want to ruin their rush.
We have no point, we have no argument.
They've been saying that they cannot be sued in Kenya. That's not possible. It's absolutely not possible.
Tulipata orders za kuwastaki.
Yeah.
And then Kenyan, whether they have filed documents.
I'll let you do that. I don't want to ruin their rush.
We have no point, we have no argument.
They've been saying that they cannot be sued in Kenya. That's not possible. It's absolutely not possible.
Tulipata orders za kuwastaki.
Yeah.
And then Kamau, I'm the advocate for the family of the late Agnes Wanjiru, who was murdered 11 years ago by suspected British soldiers at Nyanyuki. Today we were in court trying to seek justice for the family of the deceased relating to the unsolved murder, which had gone to court and an inquest was conducted and found that she was murdered by British soldiers. They are yet to face the proof. We were here seeking information relating to the investigations which so far have been carried, the action so far which has been taken by the government agencies of the Republic of Kenya and the British government due to the relationship between the murder of Agnes and the British military officers straight in Kenya. So that is why we are here today. We were very disappointed since other than two parties, that is the British military training unit and the Office of Director of Public Prosecution have filed documents in court, the others have not responded. And even the response by the British military training unit and the Director of Public Prosecution is wanting in this regard. It says almost nothing other than sideshows and trying to evade the responsibility of investigations and trying to bring the culprits to book. The British military unit, training unit, is on record as saying that they are not subject to trial within the Republic of Kenya. Then our question is, where was this murder committed if they cannot be tried on the soil of the Republic of Kenya? The best place to get justice for the Kenyan, that is Agnes Wanjiru and her family, is within the four corners of the Republic of Kenya, so that members of public can also see justice being done in their soil. That is why we are saying they should be tried here. And again, the law is very clear. They committed the offense within the jurisdiction of our courts. Our courts are capable of conducting trial, and we should not be worried. Our courts are known to deliver justice. They are free and fair. So nobody should be concerned that they will not get justice in Kenya. They should actually have volunteered themselves, bring themselves here. We are waiting for them, and we are ready to go through the full trial. If they are